Why does a human being need a Lord? This question is not only religious, it is deeply human. Today I am not speaking to believers or skeptics. I am speaking to human beings. Because before asking whether God exists, we must first ask why the human heart feels the need for Him. Every human enters this world without choice. We did not choose our birth, our parents, our body, our abilities, or our death. Anything that does not create itself cannot be its own authority. A book needs an author, a system needs a designer, and a program needs a programmer. So how can the most complex conscious being claim to be ownerless? Dependency itself proves that independence is impossible. A human needs a Lord because he is not self-sufficient by nature. Without a Lord, life loses its ultimate meaning. Success becomes temporary pleasure, suffering becomes pointless. Morality becomes personal opinion, and sacrifice becomes wasted effort. If there is no higher authority, then good and evil are just preferences. Justice is just power, and truth is just convenience. But the human heart refuses to accept this. We cry for justice. We demand meaning. We search for purpose. A Lord gives purpose to suffering, value to sacrifice, and direction to life. Without a Lord, life is only survival. With a Lord, life becomes mission. Human beings are born to submit. Submission is unavoidable. If a human does not submit to God, he submits to desire. Society, money, power, ideology, or ego. The question is not whether humans submit, the question is to whom they submit. A Lord is needed so that a human submits to the highest, not to the lowest. Morality itself demands a supreme authority. Who defines right and wrong? Society once supported slavery. Majorities once supported genocide. Power always protects itself. Only a Lord can give morality and authority beyond human interest. Without a Lord, morality becomes negotiation. With a Lord, morality becomes obligation. Psychologically, the human being needs a Lord. Humans face loss, fear, failure, loneliness, and death. Without a Lord, these realities become unbearable. With a Lord, loss becomes hope. Fear becomes trust, death becomes transition, and pain becomes meaning. A Lord is not only a ruler, a Lord is emotional stability. History proves another truth. When God is removed, humans replace him. Kings, dictators, ideologies, and systems rise. Either God is above humans, or humans try to become gods over humans. A Lord protects humanity from human tyranny. And finally, the human soul already knows. Every civilization searched for God. Every child asks about the Creator. Every heart questions purpose. This is not culture. This is human nature. Hunger proves food exists. Thirst proves water exists. Spiritual thirst proves that a Lord exists. A human does not need a Lord because he is weak. A human needs a Lord because he is human. Without a Lord, freedom becomes chaos. Power becomes oppression, and life becomes accident. With a Lord, freedom becomes responsibility, power becomes trust, and life becomes purpose. A human without a Lord is not liberated. He is lost.